Hey everybody, this is Sonya. Dessureault. My first class at BTOO Open 2020 was Killer Skills for Instructors. It was actually a little bit more of a master class, so we talked through, you asked a lot of questions, I liked it. I'm going to give you a couple of the concepts I talked about. Again, it's only my belief, what I think works for teaching West Coast Swing. I have tried it, so I know there is a result from it, but you do not need to go exactly like this. So first idea we talked about is having a core concept. So every class I know where I want to end with my students. So for example, if we're talking about musicality, it's a really vague term. So what is my lowest common denominator? So in musicality would be timing. What is my most basic timing is talking about West Coast Swing being a 2-beat dance, so I have my downbeat, upbeat. So that's the first thing I would talk to my students about when they're baby dancers. More than that would be too much for them. I want them to feel secure. I want them to feel they understand what they're doing, they feel capable, they're happy when they get out of the class, instead of having too much information and just feel overwhelmed that they don't understand this dance. This dance is not complicated. You can make it simple and attractive through the way you teach it. Don't try to teach too much is often what we do when we're starting to teach. We're worried that it's not going to be enough, so we give too much. People come because they like you, they like your class. So stay calm, keep with one concept, make it run through. Try to find fun games to do with it. We talked, for example, about having a big line of people. So you have the leads on one side, you have the follower on one side, and I had the hand of this leader here and the hand of the other leaders. And we're just working on our sugar push, 6 count. If someone can't even do triples yet, they don't need to do triples, they can walk. So I can have someone walking through a sugar push, someone doing a triple, right? And it would be the same through the end. Now with this, we're working on timing, for example. So we're going 5, 6, 7, 8, everybody together, sugar push. If one gets off, then the entire line gets messed up. It gets to be a fun game, everybody's playing with each other, we rotate, so you can have a good 20 minutes of this with it being really fun, without people feeling like they're just with one partner and the follower is tired because the leader can't lead that move or something like that. So again, go with core concept, find what's your lowest common denominator for timing, connection. For example, we all agree we need stretch and compression. Now yes, you can hear 10,000 variation on how to teach it, but let's say that the baseline, we all agree that if we go away from each other, we create stretch. If we go closer together, we create compression, like a spring. So I would just go with that with beginners. Find the stretch. Yes, they're not going to feel the full stretch like you feel it right now. Don't worry about it. Make them start to feel something and have them just do walks and stretch. So I'm the follower, I'm going forward. I don't care if the rest is all a little bit wonky, right? The leader is walking back, and make them do patterns through that instead of putting them inside the box of 6 counts, etc. So I would make them, let's say I'm leading here, do walks and stretch, right? And at some point, okay, do walks and compression. At some point I go, okay, same thing, you do walks and stretch, then leaders get out of the way, keep rotating, and the follower gets to the other side. Now they're doing a left side pass. They know about extension, they know about connection, they know about so many things without having you just drill the information inside of their head. Hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, please write me, contact me. I'll be happy to discuss about that with you.